A smart home requires smart protection. In an effort to attain modern-day home security, manufacturers are pushing the bar higher by making their home monitoring devices smarter and more powerful. There could be several types of home security gadgets which can be used to prevent your house from incident, such as theft, and to alert you in case any burglar tries to enter your house. To be specific, most of these modern technologies and the security gadgets help you to scare the burglars to some extent and to keep your house safe. Welcome to ProLine Tech YouTube channel. And in today's video, you will see 12 coolest gadgets for home protection. And now, let's get things started. Kubo AI. Do you have a baby in the house? There's a security gadget that can ensure the young one's safety even when you're not able to pay full attention. Kubo AI is a smart baby monitor that provides sleep safety alerts for a covered face danger zone and sleep analytics. It even features a 1080p HD night vision camera, two-way audio, and a detection system that lets you know whenever the baby cries or the temperature isn't appropriate. Using a device like this, parents can stay informed about their child day or night, even if they're super busy themselves. It's perfect for children ages 0 to 5. So if you have a child who falls in that category, or you know someone who does, Kubo AI is worth a second look. Number 11, Eufi Smart Lock Touch Door Fingerprint Scanner. Eufi brings together some remarkably cool features all in one device with the Smart Lock Touch, a fingerprint scanner, keyless entry door lock, local Bluetooth, electronic deadbolts, touch screen keypad, smart lock front door IP65 waterproofing, and BHMA certification. Eufi has it all. The Smart Lock has an accuracy of up to 98%. You don't have to worry about the safety of your data either, because Smart Lock stores your fingerprint data locally rather than on the cloud. Your personal information will remain safe and secure. The gadget is sure to last even in a busy household because it's proven to work efficiently after 250,000 rounds of testing, with Eufi prioritizing your safety today. Number 10, Remootio. Imagine being able to control and monitor your gates and garage doors using your smartphone no matter where you are with Remootio. You don't just have to imagine, it's easier to put into practice than ever before. The gadget comes with a pair of cables that you can use to connect it to your gate or garage door. This way you'd be able to control it all using your smartphone or your smart home hub, which includes Alexa or Google Home. There are 3 different ways to connect and control your gates: Bluetooth, your home Wi-Fi, and your internet. Thanks to the last one, you can monitor your entrances from anywhere in the world. Number 9, Safera. This is a pioneer in preventative fire safety, and with its intelligent smart cutting sensors, it can practically eliminate cooking fires, which is the #1 reason that cause fire in homes. The device is set above the stovetop to allow it to collect data through its hybrid multi-sensor radio system that contains 20 sensors and evaluates and presents the data in a very simple-to-use interface with sensor value algorithms and AI learning based on behavioral data. Safera can recognize cooking events and can help you cook better with this artificial intelligent app by guided recipe routines that automatically perfect simpler time and more. This cooking sensor has a power control unit which automatically shuts off your stove before fires or when an adult is not sensed for extended period of time. It also measures carbon dioxide, humidity, organic volatile compounds, temperature, and overall air quality index with ventilation alerts, making sure that you don't breathe toxic air. Keep your kitchen safe from unwanted fire and save your home from getting destroyed by fire and live without stress. Number 8, Netatmo Smart Video Doorbell. With Netatmo Smart Video Doorbell, you don't always have to be home to speak to your visitors. Netatmo lets you do that wherever you are. If there's somebody at the door and you're not home to answer it, you can now see them on your smartphone and talk to them live. It doesn't matter if you're on the other side of the world. You can even give specific instructions to not miss any delivery. On a busy day at work, You'll receive a video call immediately on your smartphone when someone rings your doorbell. That means you can choose whether or not you want to communicate. It's pretty much a simple doorbell, although a lot smarter than your average one. You'll receive a real-time notification on your phone if someone is lurking around your front door. Using the built-in speaker, you can deter all uninvited intruders with ease. Number 7. Smart Safes. Smart safes offer you the coolest hidden compartments on the planet that you can't ignore. They're designed to look like ordinary household objects, making them the perfect gadget for optimal security. Smart safes are Bluetooth enabled and allow you to customize your level of security depending on the kind of items you plan to store. Your precious belongings will be hidden in plain sight, locked and secure, and with immediate access. No one would even know you have a secret chamber, so it's highly unlikely that anything will go missing. It's particularly helpful if you have toddlers around and you would like to ensure that they don't mess with your important documents. Moreover, you can access them via RFID and facial recognition features, which means no one other than you will dare touch your possessions. Number 6. Keybox 2. If you're looking for a convenient and safe lockbox to store your keys, cards, and stuff like that so you can easily access anything at a moment's notice, look no further. Keybox is where it's at. It's a secure storage space that doesn't need any complex door alterations. Before being used, Keybox can effortlessly be adjusted onto firm structures like walls, and unlike conventional lockboxes, smart lockboxes definitely bring with them upgraded convenience that makes their use and everyday life more fun. If you're sharing space with someone, like when renting an Airbnb, the Keybox is particularly useful. Number 5. Ecobee Smart Camera Indoor Security Camera. Get a clear view of what's inside your home with Ecobee, an indoor security camera designed for you to check in on your loved ones and pets while keeping your smart home secure. The gadget comes with super cool features, including a 180-degree field of view, auto pan, zoom motion, detection alerts, 1080p image quality, smoke alarm detection system, and a 30-day video history. The camera has a smart focus that recognizes when a person enters the frame. It auto-adjusts to keep them front and center as they move thanks to the live feed feature. You can look in on the playroom from anywhere without missing any critical meetings. Using the app, you can check in and talk to your loved ones any hour of the day, even when you're out. Ecobee is a device that not only you'd love, but one that would make a significant difference in your pet's life too. Number 4. Couchbunker. You just imagine a comfortable custom-built couch that appears as a regular guest bed on the surface, but hides an exciting secret underneath bunker. Doesn't only serve as a seat cushion, but it has a fire-rated gun safe hidden inside with bulletproof cushions and carry straps, enabling you to use them as a shield when needed. The vault is handy and easy to access. All you have to do is remove the 3 seat cushions and open the 2 multi-lock key locks. Using just one key, the Couchbunker stores up to 30 rifles and other valuables, weighing around 900 pounds in total. The cushions will stop a .44 Magnum at point-blank range. Not only that, but it's also available in a lightweight line and in different configurations. Number 3. Xandem RF Tomography. There are tons of wireless devices around us at any given time, and when regular people move in their vicinity, the radio waves traveling between them are inevitably affected. Xandem has come up with an incredibly innovative idea for detecting these effects and using them for our benefit. The technology, that is RF tomography, is essentially able to tell when people are present or moving in any space. Although the idea of motion detection technology isn't entirely new, RF tomography definitely stands out in several aspects. It can easily be added to existing wireless products. You just need to make the appropriate software update. What's more, RF tomography can cover large areas and even see through hindrances like walls and furniture. Number 2. August View Doorbell Camera. You can answer your door from anywhere in the world with August View, the world's most advanced wire-free video doorbell. This doorbell comes with a camera which can record at 1440 pixels with minimal fisheye distortion. It provides the most realistic live stream of your doorstep at any time. With a smartphone app, you can zoom in high-resolution video that helps you identify packages and unwanted visitors. With this doorbell, you can answer the door from your phone or have real-time conversation with your visitor, just with your fingertips. It comes ready to use out of the box with a video doorbell wireless chime, rechargeable battery, and August app. Keep your home and packages safe with the August View doorbell camera with 3 months of battery life. Number 1. Moon by Ring. This is what we'd call the world's coolest smart home hub, featuring not only a security camera and stable levitation, but a complete 360-degree vision. It's what every smart home needs to ensure maximum protection against all sorts of threats. Moon by Ring combines impressive features with a revolutionary design, the 360-degree day and night vision with sound direction detection technology that adds a new layer of safety to your house. What's more, there are temperature, carbon dioxide, humidity, and light sensors in the device as well. No wires, no setup, and no installation. The gadget is pretty simple and straightforward to use, so you don't have to worry about complicated installation procedures. It's the all-in-one smart home solution we all need. If you haven't subscribed to ProLine Tech for more awesome videos like this, then you are missing out. Kindly do so now and give this video a like. Thanks very much for staying till the end.